Taylor Label is a trade-only manufacturer right off the bat, so we are purely a manufacturer. We sell exclusively through distributors. We've got about 2,000 distributors across Canada. We're about 20 years in business now. Our focus is really on sustainability and doing things in a different way. So the biggest saving to us from the Primera in terms of the environment is just the fact that it uses so much less. Literally the first label out can be a good one, and when you get to the number you need to run, you hit stop and it stops. So there's no real waste at the front, there's no waste at the back. That makes sense to us. The Primera is a press that's dedicated to label manufacturers, so it's not for the printers, it's for us. So that's why we were drawn to that press. The print side, really, the advantage is that it's almost like printing to a desktop printer. Pre-press is obviously a big part of the label business, and the less pre-press you have to do, the better. We wanted a solution that would take it from front to back. And in terms of the back, we wanted a solution that finished it in rolls. But the label industry really is used to rolls. Customers want to get their product as a die-cut, matrix-removed roll, and the Primera could do that. Customers want more flexibility, so to get the flexibility, they want shorter runs, they want quicker turnarounds, they want to be able to make adjustments to their labels. They don't want to order several skids of labels and have them sitting in a warehouse, so they want response, they want flexibility.
Steam Brewing has been around for almost 13 years. We make just one product, do one thing really, really well, a Czech-style Pilsner that we sell into the Ontario beer market, as well as Alberta and British Columbia. Taylor Label has been, I guess, with us now for about 7 or 8 years, producing ad hoc labels as needed when they've come up. When we've needed a security label or a tamper-evident label, barcode labels, and they've stepped in and they've done a great job. Without a doubt, you see the change in what's happened in the last 5 years in terms of short run and digital output. It's made short run, very specific, ad hoc, customized pieces so much easier to work with.
I'm Tom Stinson. I'm the founder of a company called Print Synergy. We are a professional print management firm here in Mississauga, Ontario. We started this business about 5 years ago. Labels are a big part of what we manage or are asked to manage for our customers. And now, because we're in Kiwi Craze, one of our other businesses, of course, is Kiwi Craze. Nobody's running 1 million labels anymore unless you're doing inline production, and if that's the case, you're going to be doing that on paper-based. And so the real market today is that small, quick-run business, and we're doing that for several of our customers through Taylor Label today.
LALA Soap Company is an organic and natural-based body care company. Every couple of months I like to bring in what I call a seasonal product, and that the flexibility of having the shorter runs that is affordable allows me to bring that to the table for my customers. So I can offer them something that's unique and different. It keeps my products fresh, it keeps my customers interested, and that's, essentially it's an integral part of production.
If a label shop is looking for a digital solution, and it's their first step into digital, but they want that first step to be a professional one, then the CX1200 is definitely the right way to go. When we bought the press, we hoped that it would be a 2 to 3 year repayment process, so it's right on schedule, and it's probably going to exceed our expectations.